Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for organizing, analyzing, and presenting data in a visually appealing manner. One feature of Excel is its gridlines, which are lines that separate rows and columns. Although gridlines can be helpful for keeping data organized, they can also be distracting and make it difficult to read and interpret the data. Luckily, there are several easy ways to remove gridlines in an Excel sheet, which we will explore in this video. By following these simple steps, you can customize the appearance of your Excel worksheets and make them easier to read and understand. Now, let's begin. Method 1. Using the ribbon. Click on the View tab in the Excel ribbon. Locate the Show section and uncheck the Gridlines checkbox. This will immediately hide all the gridlines in the worksheet. Method 2. Using the Page Layout view. Click on the Page Layout tab in the Excel ribbon. Locate the Sheet Options section and uncheck the Gridlines checkbox. This will remove the gridlines from the worksheet while in Page Layout view. Method 3. Using the Excel options. Click on the File tab in the Excel ribbon. Click on Options. In the Advanced section, scroll down to the Display options for this worksheet section. Uncheck the Show Gridlines checkbox. Click OK to apply the changes. This method will remove gridlines for all worksheets in the current Excel workbook. And that's it. Share this to your friends and colleagues.